Okay, welcome back. Another trip from Entebbe to Dar es Salaam via Kilimanjaro. This is a trip back to Dar es Salaam on board TC215 Air Tanzania, the wings of Kilimanjaro. This time I'm pilot flying. Mariam will be pilot monitoring. She'll handle the radios, I'll do the flying, and she's here to assist me with every duty of mine. So, briefing today, Mariam, ready for the briefing?
Go ahead.
Okay, standard left seat takeoff out of runway 35 Entebbe.
Copy.
Preliminary speeds and setting just before we have our load sheets for final figures will be takeoff 2. Weather is copied, wind 330 at 9 knots, 27 degrees Celsius, climb thrust setting of climb 1. APR is armed. Start flap is 2, bleed source engine with preliminary speeds of 132, 133, 136, and a trim of 3.4. And that is set. Our it will be a departure profile, standard departure profile out of here is 53.7 kilograms, 53.7 tons, and wing anti-ice is off, cowl anti-ice is off. That takes us on our routing of runway 35 Nassau, so it will be a departure runway 35, right turn to position Nassau, and join uniform Lima 434 all the way to position Lawson. Okay. Our escape route out of runway 35 today, it will be a right turn out to a position EPMIS, flight level 100 above.
Copy.
So we'll hold at position EPMIS, and we'll carry on with the emergency procedures and the checklist reading. Once we complete, we'll come back for landing into Entebbe.
Copy.
Okay. Weather-wise, we've copied the weather is fine. Information Sierra, information Whiskey. Sorry. Aircraft status is good. None of them is affecting our flight. Threats: we had a few birds encountering on approach, so we should be vigilant about that. There might be a few birds on the departure side of runway 35. Taxi out of gate 4. It will be a pushback to face, probably face north, if I'm not mistaken. Negative, face south. Taxiway all the way to 35 via Charlie 2. Join Alpha 1 for runway 35.
Copy.
Okay. Apart from that, everything else, as briefed before, is flight time is about an hour, just a little bit under the hour mark, and should be vigilant about the weather. There was a few build-ups around the area, so we'll try to make it as smooth as possible for the passengers, to make it as comfortable as possible as we can. Apart from that, everything else is good. If you have anything to add on to that, once we have the final load sheets, which is here already, we'll have it on the FMS and we'll be ready for departure.
Copy. It all is understood. Nothing else to add.
All right. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Before start, takeoff briefing.
Complete.
APU and/or external power.
AP on.
Beacon on.
On.
Park brake.
Park brake set.
Before start, checklist completed.
Thank you.
Tanzania 215 information X-ray startup is approved. Pushback at your discretion for runway 35.
Copied. Startup approved. Pushback at your discretion for runway 35, and we copied information X-ray Tanzania 215.
We have information X-ray. This just reconfirmed that. Still the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Ground cockpit.
Cockpit, go ahead.
Very good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon to you, sir.
Right, we have start and push clearance runway 35.
Roger, we are fully ready.
Okay, you may start push when able. Parking brake is released.
Roger, let's go. And the engines are clear whenever we are ready.
Thank you. Starting engines. Okay, left engine start.
Go ahead.
And pushback, you may set parking brake.
Cockpit, parking brake is set to may disconnect pushback truck. Right, engine start.
Check.
On cockpit.
Go ahead.
Okay, we have 2 good starts. You may disconnect all communications. Chokes out at 1117.
17, thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you, waiting for signs. For taxi.
Rapid before taxi. APU.
Off.
Flap.
2 selected.
Note has been noted. Anti-ice cowl outer on.
Auto.
Anti-ice swing outer on.
Auto.
Flight controls.
Checking.
Ground, very good afternoon again. Arabia 721, stand 5. We are ready to push it.
Neutral.
Oh.
Left. Neutral.
Flight controls.
Checked.
No steer.
Select on.
ACAS and info.
Checked.
Before taxi checklist completed.
Checked.
Entire Tanzania 215, we're ready taxi.
Tanzania 215, taxi to holding point runway 35 at Charlie 2 Bravo Alpha 1.
Be clear taxi to leave holding point 35 via Charlie 2 Bravo Alpha 1 Tanzania 215.
Okay, copy. Charlie 2 Bravo to Alpha 1 Tanzania.
AFAM, so it would be right and then straight out all the way.
Checks. Left clear.
Right is clear. Ready, copy ATC?
Ready.
And Tanzania 215 is ready, copy ATC?
Tanzania 215, clear at Entebbe Jomo Kilimanjaro, flight level 350 via the Oxum 1 Delta departure. Squawk 2323.
Copy, we've been clear flight level 350 by Oxum 1 Delta departure. Squawk is 2323, Tanzania 215.
Feedback correct. Next report ready.
Copy, call you next ready, Tanzania 215.
06 knots, runway 17. Correction, runway 35, clear for takeoff.
Copied, when ready, we're clear for takeoff runway 35, Tanzania 215. Okay, so.
Thrust sound.
Checked.
Left clear.
Right is clear.
Thrust.
Checked. 80 knots. Thrust set.
Checked.
V1.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Gears up.
Gears up.
Monitor radar display.
Okay, autopilot on.
Check.
Heading. We'll go heading 3
Autopilot is still not on. Checked. And Entebbe Control Tanzania 215. Turning left to avoid. Release to you.
Tanzania 215 identified. Continue as cleared. Confirm turning left avoid.
Affirmative, turning left to avoid weather.
Roger, report clear weather.
Clear now. And we're clear of weather now, Tanzania 215.
Tanzania 215, confirm you need vectors to vessel.
Affirmative, requesting vectors, Tanzania 215.
Roger, fly heading 190.
Copy, turning left heading no 190, Tanzania 215.
Flap 1.
Okay, speed
Entebbe
20.
Paul 122 checking
Flap 1.
KMA.
Okay, speed check, flap 1.
Bar 122, report top of 10.
Top
Flap
of
0.
10, next one.
Speed check, flap 0. Oh,
Standard.
copy, go ahead, standard. Passing flight level 073.
Checked.
Now,
Speed 250.
copy. After takeoff,
Takeoff check, let's go ahead.
copied, ICAS checked, after takeoff checklist completed.
Checks.
Monitor radar display. Radar display.
All right, welcome back. We are at 35,000 feet en route to Kilimanjaro. Quite day today. Weather's a few build-ups around the area. We have gone through some light to moderate turbulence on the departure out of Entebbe. Our route again will take us just above Serengeti, Oldonyo Lengai, one of the volcanic mountains in Tanzania. Unfortunately, we cannot see those today because of the build-ups, but we're flying overhead the Serengeti at this time. We just flew from Entebbe overhead the lake, Lake Victoria, a lake that has been shared around 3 to 4 countries. That is Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. And from that part, we took a left turn out to join a position called Nesal that takes us an airway all the way to Lawson in Tanzania. We are about 14 minutes to top of descent. We'll just get the weather and we'll be right back with the briefing just before we descend. Thank you. Okay, ready for briefing?
Go ahead.
Speed FMS1, V Alt S, you have controls, flight level 350.
Copied, I have controls.
Route direct Lawson.
Check.
Okay, weather in Kilimanjaro is copied. We have 0205 knots, 30 degrees Celsius, QNH1013 set on standby.
Check.
Aircraft status is good, no NOTAMs affecting our flight. Threats, it's just the build-ups around our track. A few diversion to the left, we might be clear of the weather. Apart from that, upon landing into Kilimanjaro, we expect to backtrack 09, vacate via Victor Yankee, Sierra or Romeo for parking.
Copy.
Okay. We expect the Lawson 2 Alpha approach, and this will take us all the way from Lawson to Kilo Juliet 807, Kilo Juliet 805 to position Ufgard for the airless Zulu on a 09.
Copy.
Slat flap 4 for the arrival, a landing weight of 5000 kilograms. That is 50 tons of our landing weight. Okay. Performance wise, we have weather is copied, auto brakes low, 50 tons for the arrival, VREF of 130, we have 129 difference from 1 knot, VAP of 135, VAC of 136, and VGO round of 146. Okay, a margin of 1052.
I confirm.
And for the approach itself, it's a chart 11-1 for Kilimanjaro International Airport, ILS Zulu or localizer Zulu, round of 09.
I have the same.
Right. Stand by for now, we can request left of track, please.
Copied. And Control Tanzania 215, requesting left of track to avoid weather.
Tanzania 215 with avoidance approved.
Copy, Tanzania 215. Okay.
Right. So we have ATIS, whether it's copy Kilimanjaro approach 1201 on standby. Kilimanjaro Tower 119S19 to come next. Approach course, final approach course 088. Localizer frequency for Kilo Kilo is 110.9. You can have that on standby.
Copy, go.
Okay, so for the approach itself from the FMS, from position Ufgard at 9000, we'll join Kilo Juliet 801, and then Foxtrot India 09 for runner 09er. We'll intercept the airless localizer Kilo Kilo at 6.5 miles DME at 5000. ILS minimums for category Charlie is 3250, and that is set.
Check.
For the go around, missed approach, climb straight ahead to 6000, then right turn to direct Zatro to hold at 9000 or as directed. Maximum speed for the approach is 210 knots. Okay.
Checked.
Our MSA around Kilo Vector, we're coming in from heading of 1 to 6. That is number 3 and 1, 17,000, and within 12 nautical miles is 8,000.
Copy.
Okay. Upon landing, as briefed again, 09 backtrack 09 Victor Yankee, Sierra or Romeo for parking. Okay.
Copy.
Procedures for the go around. My actions would be toga, set thrust, flap 2, positive rate gears up, and we'll follow the missed approach procedure. and we'll carry on with the after takeoff, after go around the checklist, and afterwards no more checklist will continue.
Copy.
Any questions so far?
No questions for now. All is understood.
All is understood. Thank you very much. I'll have controls now.
You have back controls, no changes. We're still on a heading of 126 to avoid.
Checked. I have controls. Checked.
You have controls.
Tanzania 215 now fly, you are clear of the traffic, fly direct Kilo Victor, descend for level 250. Tanzania 215, for further descend, contact Kilimanjaro, frequency 120.1, good afternoon.
Copy for further descent, Kilimanjaro 120.1, Tanzania 215. Resume no. And Kili Tanzania 215, release here on the descent through flight level 260 for 250, requesting further descent.
Tanzania 215, descend Losin level 120 on the Losin to Alpha arrive.
Copy, we're clear to descend flight level 120, Losin for Losin 2, Alpha arrival, Tanzania 215.
Speed 200.
Check. And Kili Tanzania 215 established on the ILS approach runway 09.
Tanzania 215, contact Tower 1100.9.
Copy, Tower 199er, Tanzania 215. Kilimanjaro Tower, good evening, Tanzania 215 established, release here.
Tanzania 215, Kili Tower, continue approach runway 09, QNH 1013.
Copy, continue approach runway 09 over QNH 1013, Tanzania 215.
Take it down.
Copy, no standard, gear down.
On your speed. Flap 2.
Speed check, flap 2.
Speed 157.
Check.
Flap 3.
Speed check, flap 3.
Tanzania 215, surface wind 050 degrees, 1 to knots, QNH 1013.09, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 09er, Tanzania 215.
Flap 4.
Okay, speed check, flap 4.
On speed 135.
Checked.
With 1 extra knot added. Before landing checklist.
Checked, before landing. Altimeters?
1013, set and cross checked.
Flap?
4 indicating.
Cabin?
Ready.
Before landing checklist completed?
Checks.
2500.
Radio altimeters alive, QNH 1013.
Checked.
1000.
Stable?
Checked. Pilot off.
Checked.
Kili Uniforce 311, request taxi.
Uniform for Foxtrot 311, taxi via Quebec Yankee to holding point runway 09.
Sir, taxi, it's Quebec Yankee to hold short 09, Uniforce 311.
400.
Route now.
Check.
Approaching minimum.
Continue.
Check.
Minimums. Minimums.
Landing visual 12 o'clock.
Check.
200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Reverse screen.
Checked.
$80 knots.
Checked.
60 knots.
Checked.
Tanzania 215 on ground 1235. Gate backtrack on 09. Packet via taxi Victor Yankee Romeo. Report Marshall inside.
Copy, do I clear to backtrack runway 09er and to taxi via Victor Yankee Romeo. Call you next Marshall inside Tanzania 215.
Uniform Alpha Foxtrot 311, you are cleared via Yankee holding point 09. For now proceed via taxi Winsky, let's backtrack on 09.
Minimums. 200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Minimum. 200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
AP start. Taxi line off. Marshall inside.
And Tanzania 215, we have Marshall inside.
Copied over to Marshall.
215.
Uniform of Foxtrot 311, copy revised ATC. Go ahead. Recleared, departure on 09, Dulmi 2 Echo, the rest ATC remain the same.
Roger, could you say again the departure?
Recleared, Dulmi 2 Echo, departure.
Roger, 09, Dolby 2 Echo, right turn, enforce 311.
Uniform Foxtrot 311, I see clearance, repass, correct. Wind 080 degrees, 12 knots, KNH 1013, runway 09 cleared for takeoff.
Hello, welcome to Kilimanjaro International Airport. The local time is 42 minutes past 3. Beautiful flight from Entebbe. Welcome, and enjoy the wings of Kilimanjaro on our last sector to Dar es Salaam.